Hi there! Ready to automate your entire store? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to set up the Optima TikTok Shop Connector app. You'll learn exactly how to automate your product sync, safely manage your inventory across multiple warehouses. Let's go to the laptop screen.
On the main page, you can instantly review key metrics such as gross merchandise value, total orders, and active buyers. To analyze specific trends, you can easily filter your performance overview across different time frames, including the last 7 days, the last 14 days, or the last 30 days. Scrolling down, you can monitor live store trends with filters specifically designed to isolate GMV, buyer behavior, or individual orders. Below this section, you will find information regarding top-performing products. If you are just starting and don't see any listings here yet, you can quickly browse your current inventory or head straight to your open sales center to push your first items live. Navigating into product management, you can switch between dedicated tabs to view your TikTok Shop products, unlisted inventory, or standard Shopify products. Your item list displays critical synchronization details, including product names, TikTok Shop status, current Shopify availability, and total variance. This screen also lets you track pagination at the bottom to browse through your full inventory. When you need to send items over to your connected marketplace, simply select the desired products from your unlisted or Shopify inventory and choose your preferred syncing method. You can use a predefined category template to apply standard settings automatically and save time, or opt for manual selection to configure distinct categories and settings yourself. Once you confirm, the system will process the changes in real time, successfully updating the status to indicate your items are synced. To track sales fulfillment, click on the Order tab in the left-hand menu to open the Order Management Center. This dashboard provides a clear, high-level view of customer purchasing activity, allowing you to instantly filter entries by pending orders, delivered shipments, canceled requests, items awaiting shipment, shipped packages, or completed transactions. Finally, for more advanced configurations, head into the Settings Hub. Here, you can verify your linked accounts, ensure your region and currency settings match, and access custom order import settings. You can dictate precisely how orders flow from your marketplace into Shopify, apply robust sync timing and status rules, and customize your logistics by mapping specific Shopify and TikTok courier options. Taxes and promotional discounts are automatically formatted for your accounting records. Navigate to the Products tab under your Settings Hub. Here, you'll manage your product synchronization rules. You can toggle between automatic sync, which updates your listings instantly, or manual sync if you prefer more hands-on control over your product feed. Under the Product Fields section, you can select exactly what updates, such as inventory levels, item status, and variations. For instance, enabling Deactivate on Draft ensures that if a product is set to draft status in your store, it automatically updates on TikTok Shop as well. Next up is the Brand section. If you sell branded items, you can select your default brand from the drop-down list. If your items are unbranded, simply choose No Brand to keep things straightforward. Moving down to Feed Preferences, this is where you map how your store's data transfers to TikTok Shop. You can choose how your product title and product description are displayed and decide whether to submit all product variants or just the first variant only. If you need deeper customization, the MetaFields mapping tool lets you map specific fields to enrich your product listings. You can choose to map these details by individual product or by variant and add new mappings with a single click. Managing your pricing is just as simple under Price Sync rules. You have the flexibility to match your source price exactly, or use the comparison price. If you want to customize further, clicking the drop-down menu reveals options to increase or decrease your TikTok Shop prices by a fixed amount or a specific percentage relative to your store. To avoid overselling, configure your inventory sync rules. You can set a specific sync percentage, such as keeping it at 100%, and define an out-of-stock threshold. This safety net automatically marks items as out of stock on TikTok Shop when your inventory drops to a certain level. If you operate multiple warehouses, the warehouse selection settings allow you to choose whether to sync inventory from all warehouses or select specific ones. Don't forget to establish your default shipping dimensions. Setting standard measurements for length, width, height, and weight serves as a reliable fallback for any products missing this data, ensuring TikTok Shop can always calculate accurate shipping fees. Once you're satisfied with these settings, hit Save. Now, let's look at category templates. This section allows you to organize your listings efficiently. By clicking Edit on a template like General, you can map your items to precise TikTok Shop categories, such as women's dresses. You can also fill out optional product attributes like apparel stretch, material, or size to give your listings better visibility and recognition on the platform. Finally, you can always head back to the home dashboard to get a comprehensive performance overview, track your setup progress, look at your daily sales trends, or use the built-in chat assistant to get instant support whenever you need a helping hand. If this helped, please like and comment. And share this video with friends who are missing out on TikTok Shop profits just because of manual uploads.